Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark from Getting Knotted Paracord, and today we're going to be making a Cobra Weave Paracord Cross. Right, I've got two bits of cord. One is 6 feet or 2 meters long. The other is 3 feet or 1 meter long. I found the halfway point of each piece of cord, and I'm going to get the shorter piece of cord, put it over the top of the longer piece, like that. So it looks like that. Okay, now I'm doing it on the table so you can see what's going on. Now what I'm going to do, left hand cord over the top, the other cord here goes like that, and it goes behind everything. Whoops, don't worry. Out the other side, so you've got that going on. Put it together and that is your Cobra Weave, like that. Now all you need to do, depending on how big the loop you want, just pull it down a bit. I'm only going to do a small loop, like that. Put it tight. There you go. Now I'm going to do it again. So the cord came out this way. Do it again. Over the top. The other cord goes over the top like that. Behind everything. Through that hole. Put it tight. That's one pass, weave if you like. I've done one, I'm going to do 3. So I've basically got 1, 2, 3 on this side. That's good. That's what I want. Like that. Now, what I'm going to do now is measure this piece here, which is about 1 inch long. And we're going to flip the whole thing upside down. Like that. So this piece here is about 1 inch long. See? About 1 inch long. So what I want to do is make this piece double the length. So I want to make this piece about 2 inches long, like that. And then we're going to do another Cobra Weave, the same thing, and it's going to come back up towards itself. So you can see that I'm keeping my finger on that roughly 2 inch spot there. It doesn't have to be precise, but it helps getting to be as close as possible. Oops. That's me lighter and everything. And that's all I'm going to do. pull these together nice and tight. Like that. This side came out here, so we carry on down. Right, so there you go. All I did was 3 Cobra Weaves that way to make it about 1 inch long, doubled it up and came back that way. What I'm going to do is flip it, turn it to its side like this, put cords either side, and I'm going to roughly measure out 1 inch again. So this, the top piece was 1 inch. You want the sides to be equal sides. So this is 1 inch like this. So I need to measure 1 inch that way. About there. I'm going to do another Cobra Weave as normal. Flip that over like that. Now, here's the hardest part, trying to get it the same. So what I'm doing is just carefully tighten it up like this. Then get my tape measure. Like that. There, that is roughly 1 inch there. So what I'm going to do is just gently pull it together and squish up a little bit, and that should be roughly the right length of arm there, like that. Okay, and then we carry on. Right, so I've done this piece. Now we're going to flip it over and do exactly the same. In fact, what I'm going to do on this side is something a little different. I'm going to make the basic Cobra Weave pattern. Now I'm going to measure 1 inch, which is about there, Now, if Jesus had one arm longer than the other, I'm sure they would mention it in the Bible. And they didn't. So yeah, he was just fully he was just fully God and fully man, yet without sin. So there you go, look. I've got the arms, and the top all about an inch long, which is really good actually. I really struggled earlier on to do this, but it's working quite well now. So now what I'm going to do, snip and singe these loose ends, and we're done. Right, so there you go. That is your Cobra Weave Paracord Cross. It came out quite well. Now, yeah, the hardest part is trying to get these side pieces the same length across to make it good. But yeah, that is it. Nice and easy. Or you could go a bit fancy, like this. Here's one I did earlier. And what I did with this one, with these colours, I've made it into a wordless cross. As always, YouTube would like you to watch that video there. I would like you to watch this playlist here. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Wash your hands, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.